Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Why am I zoomed in so close? Today's video is going to be a nice colourful look, how to achieve a really nice colourful look without looking like a clown. For instance, I'll just zoom you in. Something really simple, basic. You only need like 3 colours, 2 colours, maybe even a 4th colour just to do the inner rim of the eyes, just to make your eyes look a little bit more, I don't know, with a little bit more depth. But yeah, it's just so simple. If you have like a huge colourful eyeshadow palette like this one, you don't need to use all the colours on your eyes. You just need to pick out a couple of colours, maybe 3 at most, and do a really nice colourful look without looking like a clown. So I don't know what I'm going to be calling the title of this video yet, but we'll soon see. So if you're interested in seeing how to get this colourful eye makeup look, then let's just dive right into it. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to be doing is priming the eyes, and I'm going to be using the Milk Makeup Hydra Grip for priming the eyes today. And that, I keep saying that I need to get another one of these, but it's still going. It's still going. Make sure the eyelids are nicely primed. I think I need a bit more on this eye. So just with a Real Techniques base shadow brush, it's just a fluffy, dome shaped, flat, fluffy brush. So we're going to be just basically doing the crease, and the shade that we're going to be using is this beautiful yellow shade right there. We're going to be putting that all over the crease. Now make sure to tap off, because with this shadow there's a lot of fallout. So I'm just building this colour up because it does need a little bit of building up. It's all on my eyelashes there. Luckily we're doing the foundation last. You can definitely see the yellow peeping through above the eyelid, and that's just a beautiful transition colour that we're going to have for that beautiful bright green shade right there. So we used this yellow, and now we're going to be going in with this beautiful hot green. Yeah, I'm going to call it a hot green. So I'm using a different brush. I'm using a flat brush. This is just the F75 concealer brush by Sigma. Placing that all over the eyelid and making it melt into that yellow, so we have that mustardy gradient going up. I'm just building the colour up. It's a beautiful green yellow shade. I'm just going to do the other eye. We're going to leave the lower lash line till last after we apply the concealer, because then it'll have better gripping power. So we'll leave the lower lash line till after we've done the mascara and the eyeliner. Now for eyeliner today, I'm going to be using the Essence Lash Princess in brown. This is one of the latest eyeliner liquid pens that have come out from Essence. So it doesn't really need a shake, but I'm shaking it anyway. It's basically a little fat pen like this, and it's just a light brown. It's actually really good as a freckle pen. So I'm just lining the top lash line. We're going to be doing the wing. I'm just looking down into my mirror. And I'm not bringing the eyeliner right down to the inner corner of the eye. I'm just doing it 3/4 of the way and out. I'm just going to do the other eye. I just had to fix this eye a little bit because it wasn't as thick as the one on the left. Now that I've done that, I'm actually quite happy with the way that's turning out. So now I'm going to be doing the mascara. I'm just going to be using the Wispy Lash by Revolution, and this is a beautiful mascara which I actually haven't used on video. I have done a little short on it, but I haven't actually used it in a video yet. So it's a fat wand. It's a fat wand, and it does produce beautiful lashes. So I'm going to be doing coats of black mascara on the top lashes only first. What I love about this mascara is it does give you wispy lashes, but it's so natural. You don't feel really like you're wearing mascara, which is stupid because I actually like to feel like I'm wearing mascara on my lashes. But for those of you who like a nice natural feel, this mascara is perfect. So now that the mascara is applied on the top lashes, it's time to do the face. I'm going to be priming my face with this Poreless Partner Primer Mattifying and Blurring by Essence Primerizer. Just going to be putting a little bit of that. It's a clear fluid primer, and it really does just sink right into the skin. So I'm applying it quite liberally because it sinks right into the skin and smells like cucumber. So beautiful. My eyebrows are already done. I used my Kush Fibre Brow Gel in the shade Dutch. It's my staple eyebrow product. I'm going to take that down my neck. Seriously, this scent is beautiful. Essence Poreless Primer. Mattifying and blurring. Today I'm using the Fenty Eaze Drops Blur Tint, the shade 6. Oh, nearly finished. And I'm going to be using my hands to rub the foundation in, making sure not to touch the brows, and then with my Sephora 56 brush, buffing in the remaining of that foundation. Concealer, I'm using the Milk Makeup concealer. This is the Future Fluid, and I'm in the shade 4. You only really need a small amount. My mini buffing brush. So now it's time to complete under the lower lash line, and I'm just using the Sigma E35 pencil brush, and I'm dipping in with this beautiful green shade again. We're going to do the lower lash line. Just a really nice soft wash of colour. Bringing in the corner of the eye as well. And then once you've done that, go in with mascara on the bottom lashes. Okay, and so to complete the eye look, the final touch is Psychedelic Sister Eyeliner 24/7 Eyeliner Pencil by Urban Decay. We're going to be lining the inner rim. So it's a beautiful purple. I highly recommend this product. Now that the eyes are all done, let's go in and do some contouring. Fenty Match Stix in Amber. Just a little bit of contour, not much. And just with the same Sephora 56 foundation brush, blend the contour in. Contour the nose. Under the jawline, and using a KVD concealer brush, I'm going to blend out the contour on the nose. I absolutely love this brush for contouring the nose. It's amazing, even though it is a concealer brush. So now that the contouring's all done, we're going to be going in with some bronzer, and I'm using the Bronze Your Way bronzing palette by Essence. It's got these beautiful tones in here. So just with a big fluffy brush, I'm actually going to be picking up Tropical Bronze shade right there and bronzing away. Sorry for that noise, someone's got a drone outside. Put on the nose. And for blush, I'm going to be finishing it off with Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm using the matte blush in Pillow Talk. It's just a beautiful liquid blush. Putting a little bit of that on my hand, just like that. e.l.f. Precision brush, picking that up. Going in with a very light hand, well, going in with a very light application of that. We just want a very, very, very soft pink. And to finish off, we're going in with the Essence Hydra Matte Lipstick in the shade 402. It's just a beige shade, pinky brown beige shade. I like to call these types of colours like almond cream. No need for a lip liner. And guys, there you have it, the completed colourful look that will not make you feel like a clown. Honestly, all you do need is just a couple of colours, maybe 3 at the most, and just work them simply in a way that is just simple. You just need a crease shade, a nice shade that goes over the lid, and then you can just complement one of the colours on the lower lash line, and honestly that's all you need. And obviously you can go the extra mile with an eyeliner in the rim of the eye to make your eyes stand out a little bit more, and lashings of mascara, and you're all set. Thank you so much for watching. If you like to give it a thumbs up, that would really mean the world to me. For more videos, subscribe to my channel. I'm doing content all the time, and have a lovely day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye for now.